A unique living space, rising above the city and opening up to the sky. Here, it's not just the view that's elevated, comfort is too. 6 zip-screened, washable guillotine glass systems provide full protection without compromising on aesthetics. Every detail reflects quality. With 2 bioclimatic pergolas, enjoy the perfect atmosphere, whether under the summer sun or winter rain. Every line, craftsmanship. This terrace is where design and technology meet. Signed by Özkanoğlu. We don't just create spaces to live in, we create places to admire. Feel the difference with Özkanoğlu.